Discover a world of opulence on the open road with these 12 luxurious motorhomes that redefine extravagance. From sleek modern designs to lavish interior amenities, these homes on wheels offer an unparalleled travel experience. Indulge in the finest comforts and cutting-edge technology as you embark on your journeys, where every mile is accompanied by sheer luxury and a sense of awe. Get ready to have your expectations exceeded and your wanderlust reinvigorated by these mind-blowing motorhomes that epitomize travel in the lap of luxury. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 1. Dembell Motorhome. The Dembell Motorhome stands as a true testament to the fusion of sophistication and functionality. With its sleek exterior design and meticulous attention to detail, it captivates the eye from the first glance. Step inside and you're immediately enveloped in an ambience of luxury. The interior boasts a harmonious blend of high-end materials, ergonomic layouts, and state-of-the-art technology. From plush seating and spacious sleeping quarters to gourmet kitchens and lavishly designed bathrooms, every aspect exudes extravagance. Whether you're cruising along scenic highways or parked at a picturesque campsite, the Dembell Motorhome offers an unparalleled level of comfort and style, promising an unforgettable journey where every moment is an indulgence in the extraordinary. Number 2. Volkner Performance S. The Volkner Performance S Motorhome redefines the concept of luxury travel on wheels. Its exterior is a seamless blend of sleek lines and modern aesthetics, hinting at the opulence that lies within. As you step into the interior, you're greeted by a world of elegance and innovation. The ingenious design includes a hidden garage beneath the main living area, allowing you to bring along your favorite sports cars or recreational vehicle. The interior living space is a masterpiece of craftsmanship featuring exquisite finishes, comfortable furnishings, and cutting-edge amenities, from fully equipped kitchens to lavish bedrooms and spa-like bathrooms. Every inch of the Performance S is a testament to uncompromising luxury. Number 3. STX2 Popouts and Garage. The STX2 with Popouts and Garage is a remarkable motorhome that seamlessly blends functionality and extravagance. Its exterior is a harmonious combination of sleek lines and thoughtful design, offering a glimpse of the innovation within. What sets the STX2 apart is its ingenious use of space, featuring pop-out sections that expand the living area, creating a sense of openness and roominess. Additionally, the built-in garage at the rear adds a unique dimension, allowing you to carry along your adventure, gear, bicycles, or even a small vehicle inside. The interior is a masterpiece of modern luxury with high-end materials, elegant furnishings, and advanced technology. From cozy lounges and well-appointed kitchens to cozy sleeping areas and spa-inspired bathrooms, every corner exudes opulence. Number 4. Heimer Vision Venture. The Heimer Vision Venture stands as a bold testament to the future of motorhome design and innovation. Its exterior is a captivating blend of modern aesthetics and adventurous spirit, reflecting its capability to take you off the beaten path. The motorhome is a collaborative creation, combining the expertise of Heimer, a renowned motorhome manufacturer, and BASF, a global leader in materials and solutions. The interior is a marvel of contemporary luxury and ergonomic functionality, designed to maximize space and comfort. With its innovative use of sustainable materials and smart technologies, Vision Venture offers an eco-friendly and connected travel experience. From the multifunctional lounge areas to the thoughtfully designed sleeping quarters and compact yet efficient kitchen spaces, every aspect of the interior is a testament to thoughtful design. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes or embarking on urban adventures, the Heimer Vision Venture reimagines what a motorhome can be, offering a glimpse into a future where luxury, sustainability, and innovation converge seamlessly on the open road. Number 5. Element Palazzo. The Element Palazzo is a visionary masterpiece that transcends the boundaries of conventional motorhomes. With its futuristic and aerodynamic exterior, the Palazzo captures attention wherever it roams. This luxury motorhome is the epitome of extravagance, boasting a remarkable array of features, including a retractable sky lounge terrace, a state-of-the-art interior with opulent furnishings, a fully equipped kitchen, and a lavish bathroom. The Palazzo's design is a blend of innovation and sophistication, redefining the concept of high-end travel on wheels. Its combination of cutting-edge technology and sumptuous comfort creates an unparalleled journey that brings the comfort of home to the open road. Number 6. Thor Vision Vehicle. The Thor Vision Vehicle represents a bold leap into the future of motorhome design and functionality. With an exterior that melds sleek lines and contemporary aesthetics, the Vision Vehicle stands out as a symbol of modern innovation. The motorhome offers an extraordinary level of adaptability, featuring expandable living spaces and a transformative interior layout that can cater to various needs and preferences. The interior showcases a harmonious fusion of comfort and advanced technology with versatile seating arrangements, modern appliances, and thoughtful storage solutions. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip or seeking a temporary living space, the Thor Vision vehicle's forward-thinking design and adaptable nature redefine the possibilities of mobile living, providing a glimpse into a future where flexibility and luxury intersect on the open road. Number 7. RC12M. The RC12M is a testament to the art of engineering and luxury in the world of motorhomes. Its exterior boasts a blend of sleek lines and functional design, hinting at the craftsmanship within. This motorhome is characterized by its innovative use of space, featuring pop-out sections that create additional living areas, enhancing the overall sense of openness. Inside the interior is a symphony of modern elegance and practicality with high-quality materials, comfortable furnishings, and smart technology integration. From cozy lounges to well-equipped kitchens, spacious sleeping areas, and stylish bathrooms, every detail is meticulously designed for both comfort and aesthetic appeal. The RC12M promises an unparalleled travel experience where convenience and sophistication intertwine, whether you're on the move or parked at your destination, making every journey a true embodiment of luxury on the road. Number 8. Truck Surf Hotel. The Truck Surf Hotel redefines the way adventurers experience both travel and the waves, a true embodiment of innovation. It's a converted truck that unfolds into a fully functional and luxurious accommodation. The exterior hints at its transformative capabilities, while the interior surprises with its clever use of space, designed for surf enthusiasts. It features cozy sleeping quarters and communal lounges, with large windows offering panoramic views of breathtaking coastlines. The highlight lies in the rear, where the truck expands, revealing a spacious deck for relaxation and even surfing preparation. This mobile hotel brings a unique fusion of adventure and comfort, allowing travelers to wake up to the sound of crashing waves in remote surf spots and fostering a sense of community among like-minded explorers. Number 9. Ryosha Bespoke Projects. Ryosha Bespoke Projects stands as a testament to personalized luxury and craftsmanship. Specializing in creating unique and tailor-made solutions, Ryosha Bespoke Projects transform spaces into reflections of individual tastes and preferences. From elegant residences to upscale commercial venues, this portfolio showcases a diverse range of projects that exude sophistication and attention to detail. The hallmark of Ryosha Bespoke Projects lies in their ability to harmoniously blend aesthetics with functionality, creating environments that not only visually captivate, but also serve the practical needs of the occupants. With a commitment to delivering exceptional results, they redefine spaces, ensuring that each project is a masterpiece of design, comfort, and exclusivity. Number 10. Starliner SL25. The Starliner SL25 embodies a new era of luxury and innovation in the realm of motorhomes. Its interior showcases a harmonious fusion of sleek design and practicality, hinting at the advanced features within. The motorhome redefines spacious living, with the interior expertly crafted to maximize comfort and functionality. From inviting lounges to fully equipped kitchens, comfortable sleeping areas, and modern bathrooms, every aspect of the interior exudes a sense of opulence. One of its standout features is its adaptability. The SL25 seamlessly transforms, expanding its living space at the touch of a button. Whether you're on the move or settled in a scenic spot, the Starliner SL25 offers a remarkable travel experience where luxury and versatility converge, ensuring that every journey is an indulgence in both style and convenience. Number 11. Furia Elysium. The Furia Elysium stands as a testament to the extraordinary fusion of cutting-edge technology and opulent design in the realm of motorhomes. Its exterior boasts a futuristic and sleek appearance, hinting at the innovation that awaits within. This motorhome is a true marvel of engineering, featuring luxurious appointed interiors that include a spacious living area, a fully equipped modern kitchen, lavish sleeping quarters, and a remarkable observation deck with stunning panoramic views. What sets the Elysium apart is its incorporation of advanced smart technologies, from automated features to entertainment systems, creating an unmatched level of convenience and comfort, designed for those who seek the pinnacle of luxury and innovation on the road. The Furia Elysium transforms the idea of motorhome living into an unparalleled experience where technology and luxury seamlessly intertwine. Number 12. SLRV Commander 8x8 2-Story. The SLRV Commander 8x8 two-story motorhome redefines the boundaries of exploration and comfort. Its exterior is a remarkable feat of engineering, combining ruggedness with a commanding presence on the road. What truly sets this motorhome apart is its impressive two-story design, which provides an unprecedented amount of living space. The interior is a masterpiece of architectural ingenuity, with a well-appointed living area, a fully equipped kitchen, comfortable sleeping quarters, and even a rooftop terrace for panoramic views. The Commander's off-road capability ensures that you can venture into remote landscapes with confidence, while its spacious interior and advanced features offer a level of luxury and convenience that is truly extraordinary. And that's it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.